When I take the cleanse, this is the definitive cure for chronic constipation. There's two types of constipation. One is in your gut and one is microscopically. So you got the macroscopic constipation, which means you don't poop very often. You need to change your diet, eat some pears, apples, bananas, and take this cleanse product every single day. You need to get rid of the glyphosate, so you need to eat organic, and you want to eat as much fresh, whole, raw living foods as you possibly can. Constipation will never become a problem. You'll poop 2 or 3 times a day. And put in a scoop or 2. I like to go heavy. I like to use the powder, but there's also caps. You know, start off small to make sure you don't have a blowout, but you know, it says 4, but on my protocol, I say use 8. And if you try 8 and everything works fine, and you're kind of got a bowling ball or you've got constipation, take it up to 16, take it up to 20. Don't be afraid. It's gentle and effective.